Quest is a great initiative by Akosha because what it's doing is, perhaps for the first time, it's bringing in the technologists, the customer service people and the marketing professionals under one roof. So it's a great initiative. I would love it to happen every year, and I'm sure it will, and wish Akosha the best for this.
Quest is a wonderful initiative that has been taken by Akosha. It is really bringing together the marketers and the practitioners of customer service, and this is something I'm personally very excited about.
Forums like Quest give marketers a chance to interact with each other, learn from each other, and also understand the importance of sort of proactive customer service rather than just reactive customer service.
Well, I think it's been a very interesting and innovative initiative. I saw a lot of passion that's coming from the panelists, my various colleagues that I met. The good thing here was also the engagement levels. The round table kept the engagement levels really high. It was fantastic.
Definitely, it's a very good initiative, and while on the discussion on the round table, that was a nice part because there was a mix of industry.
Definitely it adds value because you meet people from different industries, you learn about their customer experience.
So I think it's a great way, and it's a good platform where people can meet and actually share. In the long term, it will be very good for the industry, and definitely I think it will help you evolve your product in a very large way.
A lot of people will learn from each other. Everybody will learn from this kind of forum. I believe that this kind of forum should not be yearly, rather it should be quarterly or half yearly kind of thing. Forums like these, personally feel they help us connect, give us the confidence that we are all in the same boat, and help us crack challenges with solutions that are on a cross-sharing basis. Quest is a move in the right direction. I wish Quest all the best. Look forward to Quest 2015. The great initiatives which has been taken up by Akosha. I compliment them for that. Rarely do we see a summit happening for customer experience management. Definitely looking forward to another Quest event.
People are actually becoming serious about addressing the entire customer experience management issue in the digital world that we live in. Also helps bring in insights, experiences and viewpoints from industry leaders. But it's just great that you have a forum where people come and actually address something that impacts their brand at a much larger level.
This is the first edition. We really do hope that people carry away a lot of practical insights which then are able to apply in their businesses and probably improve their businesses. We plan to make it an annual event, and we feel that it will add a lot over the next few years to the whole discourse around customer experience management.